Hello everyone. I'm going to shipping these orders tomorrow, and I'm going to assemble knives, and you can see the number of handle 1, 2, 3. This is 4 and 5, and with the blade 3. Number 3 will assemble the in handle 3, and the number 2 will assemble in handle 2. So I will assemble the knives, the OTF knives for you before shipping. So I'm going to assemble the number 4. Okay, have a check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to shipping 5 OTF knives tomorrow. Okay, here is their packets I received from factory. And always have 4 kinds of handles and blade. You can have a choice. You keep the number from a factory, just keeping the knives work well. One handle with only one blade, so they can keep the structure in their handle work well. There are always five kinds of handles with 5 kinds of blade. And if you look my store on SD Gate, and please ask me the picture of handles and blades. Then I will send a picture of handles and blades for you, and you tell me which kind of blade and handle you like, and I will assemble the blade with the handle for you. You will find on my DSKit store. DSKit store, there will be only one kind of blade, like this blade. But don't worry, there will be 5 kinds of blade, and I just show 1 kind of blade on the shop. There are always four knives will be sent for US. Four kinds of handle. There will be green, black, and 2 kinds of camel, and another black with rubber covered, and 5 kinds of blade. This blade is one kind of blade, and the other 4 kinds of blade will be drop point, 2 drop point with 2 drop point, and 1 kind of tanto blade, and 3, 4, and another is you can check my check my another video on my on my YouTube, and you will find that. Okay, let's check the OTF nav. Here, it's very strong. And have a look. And there is no logo on the pocket clip and the blade. If you want to have some logo on our knife, please tell me first, because uh, because the custom made have a limit of quality. So that's the end of our video. Thank you for watching.